Most roofing contractors choose a CRM for the wrong reason. They get impressed by flashy demos, complicated dashboards, and long feature lists. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM for a roofing business isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you close more deals, manage projects efficiently, and keep leads from falling through the cracks. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to look for in a roofing CRM, which features actually matter in 2026, and how to choose the right platform for your business size and goals. Let's get straight into it. The first thing every roofing company needs is lead management. Unlike recurring service businesses, roofing jobs often involve larger contracts, longer sales cycles, inspections, estimates, and multiple customer conversations before a deal closes. Imagine Alex owns a roofing company generating 100 leads every month. If even a handful of those leads are forgotten or followed up too late, thousands of dollars in potential revenue can disappear. A good CRM helps organize every lead from the first phone call to the signed contract. That's your first major win. But here's the problem. Many roofing businesses focus only on lead tracking. This is where most people fail. Winning the job is only part of the process. Managing the project efficiently is just as important. Now here's where it gets interesting. A strong roofing CRM helps bridge the gap between sales and operations. For example, Jake sells a roof replacement project. Once the contract is signed, the information can flow directly into scheduling, project tracking, customer communication, invoicing, and payment collection. Instead of jumping between multiple systems, the entire workflow stays organized. That's a huge advantage as your company grows. In a minute, I'll show you the 4 features that matter most when choosing a roofing CRM. But first, let's talk about customer communication. Roofing projects often involve insurance claims, scheduling updates, material delays, inspections, and customer questions. Poor communication creates frustration and can damage your reputation. The best CRMs help keep customers informed throughout the entire process. That's a small improvement that often creates better reviews and referrals. Now let's look at the 4 most important CRM features for roofing companies. Lead and pipeline management, TUT. Estimating and proposal tools. Project scheduling and workflow management. Customer communication and follow-up. If a platform excels in these areas, it can have a direct impact on revenue and efficiency. But here's another mistake contractors make. They buy software designed for large enterprises when they're still running a small operation. A solo roofer may need simplicity and speed. A growing company with multiple sales reps may need advanced automation and reporting. The right CRM should match your current stage of growth. The bottom line is simple. The best CRM for roofing businesses in 2026 is the one that helps you capture more leads, improve follow-up, streamline operations, and create a better customer experience from estimate to final payment. Don't choose software based on hype. Choose software based on the problems you're trying to solve. Now you know exactly what to look for before investing in a roofing CRM. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more roofing business growth content, and let me know in the comments which CRM you're considering and what's currently your biggest challenge.